Assalamu alaikum dear student, hopefully you will be doing fine and doing your math. Today I am gonna do some questions over exercise number 2.8. These are very important questions and these are statement questions from exercise number 2.5. Yesterday I have done one question of this exercise and today I will try to do some more questions of this exercise. Let's do these questions, but before that, if you are new on this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay in touch with me, and like and share these videos with your friends so they can also learn the math. So let's do the questions. Exercise is 2.8 and the question number is 5. The difference of a number and its reciprocal is 15/4. Find the number. So according to the question statement, the difference of a number and its reciprocal. Let imagine or suppose number is x and its reciprocal means we have supposed the number is x and its reciprocal will be 1 over x. Right, students? So what is the relation between these two number and its reciprocal? That is difference. Difference means minus. So we will put minus sign between the number and its reciprocal. Is 15/4. Is 15/4? It means equal to 15/4. Now we have the equation and we have to solve this equation. What is the procedure to solve this equation? I have told you many times how to remove denominator. We have to take common from the denominator and multiply with the each term. So here we can take common 4x and we'll multiply the host term equation with the 4x. So first of all we will multiply 4x with x, then sign minus, then again 4x will be multiplied with 1 over x is equal to 4x multiplied with the 15/4. Now cancel the denominator x 4 and what is the rest? 4x multiplied with x will be 4x square. Here we have 4 left and on the other side we have 15x. So let's rearrange the equation. 4x square minus 15x square. We will shift this 15x to the left side. It will become minus and the constant value is -4 is equal to 4. Now the situation of the equation is pure quadratic equation. So let's solve the equation. 4x square minus 15x minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's multiply 4/4 is equal to 16. Take 16 factors. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, and we have here, see there, but we have to find in between 15x. So 4 4s are 16 minus 1, 16x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now take common from each polynomial. 4x minus 4, and here take 1 common, x minus 4. So here student, we have same polynomials. Take these common, x minus 4 and the other one is 4x plus 1. Now we will take the values from the each term. X minus 4 will be equal to, x is equal to 4 and the other one will be x is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the solution set and this is the answer. Hopefully you will understand the question, and let's do one more question. Now question number 9, the statement is find two integers whose difference is 4 and whose square differ by 72. Find the number. So according to question statement, what we have to find two integers. We have to find two integers whose difference is 4, whose square is, and the square is differ by, let's suppose the integers are x and y. So their difference will be x minus y is equal to 4 according to question statement, and their square means y is x square, y is minus y square is equal to 72. Now students, see we have two equation number 1, and let's suppose this is equation number 2. So from equation number 1 we will take value of x, we will shift minus y to on the other side, it will become y plus 4 or 4 plus y. Now put this value, let's suppose this is equation number 3, put equation 3 in equation 2 by putting this equation 3 in equation 2, we will get 4 plus y whole square minus y square is equal to 72. Now open this formula, 4 4s are 16 plus y square plus 4 4s are 16 y, sorry 4 2s are 8y minus y square is equal to 72. Now we can see here minus y square and here plus y square will be cancelled with each, but we have left over 16 plus 8y is equal to 72. Shift 16 on the other side, it will become minus 16, 72 minus 16, and we have rest 56. 8y is equal to 8 is multiplying with y, on the other side it will become divide, 8 1s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So y is equal to 7 and the x is equal to, now we have y is equal to 7, put this value of the y in equation 1, which was x minus y is equal to 4. What is the value of y? 7. X minus 7 is equal to 4, and it will become on the other side plus 7 and the answer will be 11. So the solution set is 11 and 7. X is equal to 11 and y is equal to 7. So this is the answer, and that's it for today. I hope you will get the answer and you will get the question. Hopefully, if you have still any queries about this question or the previous question, do ask me, comment me, I will explain you, or contact me on my cell number. Until next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.